everybody, welcome to JJB Tech, and this is another unboxing video for you. Today I'm unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. My wife picked this watch up for me for my birthday, so I'm very excited to start using the watch. I currently wear the Gear S3 Frontier watch, and of course we all know that is a wonderful watch. So just wanted to finally upgrade. Didn't find any watches or previous watches that were, to me, worth the upgrade at this point, but until now. So let's just take a look at this box. Of course, it's Apple-esque type of box. To me, it just reminds me of unboxing the Apple Watch here. Not sure why Samsung went to this version, but it's okay. As you can see on the front, you have Watch 3 and a picture of the Galaxy Watch. The version I got was the 45mm version, and as you can see, that's on the side of the box, and it has the LTE version. So also there was some branding on the back with your, with the LTE version, the IME number and your telephone number. So not going to turn that over and show you guys that, but basically that's pretty much that's on the box. So let me get my trusty unboxing knife. Bear with me. Got to be careful, of course. So let's see here. Put my hand over the IME numbers, things like that. Let's see here. Okay. Okay, that's pretty simple. Okay, let's see here. Turn it a low angle here. Shake this off. And let's see what's in the box. Oh man, okay. Here we go. This is the, like I said, the Galaxy Watch 3. Definitely feels really premium. And let's see, on the back it shows that it's a premium leather, genuine leather band. The power button has some accent of red stripe around it. And I believe another one of the buttons also showed the Samsung Galaxy branding here. It says Galaxy Watch on the button there. Okay. Let's see. Let's stick this back in the box here. And on the underside of the box you have a packet with, let's see here. Let's open this up and see what's inside of the packet. Of course, like I said, this was on the underside of the box. Shake this out here. Let's see here. Looks like a tab is stopping it from coming out. Okay. Got your quick start guide and other terms and conditions. Let's take this over here. And so far, a little different unboxing from the previous, from my Gear Frontier watch. I had some extra bands with that. Let's see what else is in here. Looks like there's a charging cable. Okay, charging cable. This is a little different definitely different from my Gear Frontier. My Gear Frontier came with a stand. This looks like a little magnetic thing that goes onto the back of the watch to charge it. Yeah, so this will be my first time using one of these types of charging cables. Of course, there's not a charging brick, unlike my Gear Frontier watch. I had a charging brick with that. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's all that's in the box. I'm very excited to start using this watch. I'll be sending you a short setup. I'm pretty sure the setup is slightly different for the LTE version. But thanks for watching, guys, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell notification. Definitely need some subscribers, guys, so please continue watching, and please definitely watch the video in its entirety, and don't forget to subscribe again. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening.